Welcome to the new episode of BCD Tech. In this episode, I am revealing the storage capability of Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I am Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is our Samsung Galaxy Note 3. For previous video on this Samsung Galaxy Note 3, click on the link flashing on your screen. Now in this video, I will show you this OTG capability. It is OTG cable for the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. It is used to connect your flash drive, mouse, air mouse, keyboard with your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Now just plug in this end with your Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and to another female point you have to connect your flash drive. Just insert this flash drive. You can see a notification is counted. USB mass storage is connected and you can see the total storage, and in the you can see that USB A. Now I will disconnect this device. Just tap on this ongoing connection. Now just click on this. Will safely remove this device. Now this is capable to connect this transient storage jet, that is of 250 gigabit storage. Now I will show you, is it possible to connect this portable hard drive with your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. First of all, I have plug in this side to your OTG and something is open. Just close it. Now it is closed. Now another end to your hard drive. Once it get connected, you can see that there is certain notification on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and it is connected. You can see that storage capability, that is 265 gigabit. The total storage available is 265 gigabit. Now it can be directly seen that it is supported by your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You have seen this USB A drive. Now just go to general and to storage. In setting, you can see the USB OTG storage, that is 233 gigabit. It is connected to your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. From this OTG menu, you can go unmount and format this OTG storage, and you can see that this portable hard drive is supported by your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You can use this portable hard drive to store information or to read information. As I want to copy certain file from our Samsung Galaxy Note 3 to this portable hard drive, just I want to copy this video file to your that is portable hard drive. It is quite easy. Now it is copying and you can see that the data is going to your portable hard drive. So I am cancelling for a while, and you can also use this portable hard drive to see the content on your portable hard drive. There is Samsung Galaxy Note 3 to see the content on your portable hard drive. Now we can see that this portable hard drive is here compatible with your Note 3. Just unplugging for a while. Now this USB mass storage is safely removed. Now just unplugging. Now this is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Just plug in this OTG cable. Now you can see that the USB connector is connected and there is no notification on your Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Wait for time. Okay, I think it is not connected because this power output from this OTG end is very small, so we have to connect the extra power adapter to your hard drive. Now I am just connecting the extra power. Now the flash that is portable hard drive is connected. You can see the USB drive A is connected, the same folder. You can use this portable hard drive with the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 also. So this Note 2 is also compatible with your external portable hard drive, but you have to supply some extra power. You can see that the 233 gigabit of OTG storage is connected. You can unmount format from this menu. So The Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is also compatible with your this 250 gigabit of transient storage. You can now safely remove. So this Samsung Galaxy Note 2 and Note 3 is compatible with your. Now I will show you this Seagate version, that is 500 gigabit, that is Free Agent Go. Now that is 500 gigabit Free Agent Go from Seagate. Now I will show you whether this is compatible with your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Just remain this power. Now I will connect this to your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You can see that USB connector is connected, USB master storage is connected. Oh, blank USB storage. What does this mean? This means that the unsupported file system is found on your portable hard drive or a USB storage, so it is not recognized by your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. This is due to that because the Android is not supporting the NTFS format. Now this pen drive is also in a NTFS format. Let's see what will happen when I plug this NTFS USB flash drive. USB master storage is connected and a blank USB storage. Again, this NTFS file system is not supported by your Android phone. What you have to do, you have to root your phone and use third-party application so that it can be detected by your Android phone. It is not a problem of this Samsung Galaxy Note 3 because this NTFS file system is not supported by your Android operating system, so it is not detected by your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. So in conclusion, this Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and Note 2 is compatible with your portable hard drive of any storage capability, but it is in a FAT format. If it is formatted in NTFS format, it is not recognized by your Samsung Galaxy Note 3 or Note 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is flashing on your screen. For more video on this Samsung Galaxy Note 3, click on the link flashing on your screen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.